International SEO can go hand in hand with other marketing channels to help your business to expand in new markets and allow your users to find the correct version of your website. Here are 7 tips to help get you started. 1. Implement hreflang attributes. This allows Google to show the right version to the right user. But most importantly, remember that good international SEO does not end here. You still have a lot of work ahead of you. 2. Identify new markets that can bring you the most money. Do proper market research and don't blindly target random markets. 3. Choose the proper domain structure. Should you operate with a .com domain or should you select multiple country code domains? These are the kinds of questions that need to be addressed up front. 4. Don't just translate the content. Localize. Be aware of local differences. Different currencies, different customs. Think globally, act locally. 5. Make sure you diversify your channels. SEO done properly can be the growth engine of your international business. 6. Find the right people to make the expansion happen. Content editors, content writers, global managers, and of course, SEOs. I don't want to say anything but like one thing. 7. Make sure that overall you're doing SEO properly. There can be a lot of issues unrelated to international SEO that can harm your website's organic traffic. Do you have a global business in need of international SEO? At Onely, we have extensive experience in creating international SEO strategies for websites, and we're ready to help you.